Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get DuoLingo point fast on your device. Now if you want to get more or fast points on DuoLingo and stay on top of the leaderboard, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video. So to do so, you need to make sure that you are already connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device, and after that you need to simply open DuoLingo app on a device and make sure that your DuoLingo app is up to date and you are already logged into your account. So this is the home page of DuoLingo, where you'll see various options on the bottom of the page as well as on top of the page. Now if you want to get DuoLingo points fast, then you need to simply start learning your lessons as fast as you can, or you need to simply start doing the lessons and make sure that you have only 5 lives with you to do completed. So make sure to use or do the courses. After doing that, you may also click on the option of starts, and as you can see, by starting and completing it, you will get 20 plus experience point on it. So I'm new to it, so I'm doing it from the basic to get more points. And if you want to also on more points or get point fast, then you need to complete the daily quest, which will be given on the quest page of the DuoLingo app, and you'll also see the upcoming quest which will be revealed on the date which is shown on it. So you may also follow your first friends to get more points on DuoLingo app, which is on using the DuoLingo app for the very first time, like this. You may also get various fares by various badges. That's it. That's how you can DuoLingo point fast on DuoLingo. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.